Little seating area. Exit. And away we go. Who are you and what are you doing in my room?
I live here.
Baby. Okay, so we usually stay at this hotel anyway. Hi. But anyway, we stay here a lot. This is the Holiday Inn. We come here how many times?
Probably 3-4 times a year, maybe.
And this is in the Branson, so we come here to see Jim's daughters. But they upgraded us to a 2-queen bed suite, so we got 2 rooms instead of 1. Usually when we come to this hotel, it's pretty clean. Not every room has a mini fridge, and not every room has a Keurig, and not every room even has a microwave. This room has a TV, a very worn out couch, a door to the balcony. Nope, everything seems clean. Everything always seems clean here at this place. We get a balcony with a beautiful view.
Maybe we'll see deer tonight come up from through here.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be interesting. We have 2 chairs.
2 chairs.
This goes into our room.
Mm-hmm.
Our bedroom.
I'm actually really happy with the upgrade they gave us. This room is also at the end of the hallway. It makes for a very quiet place. So if you're traveling without kids, this would be perfect because you wouldn't hear the kids running back and forth all day.
And also, the couch is a pull-out mattress, too.
This is the other side of the balcony. Oh, it's locked. Oh. It's very nice. We get 2 beds. 2 beds, so Mr. Jim could sleep in his own bed tonight. No. Probably use this one because it's closer to the TV.
This is my bedroom.
This is Jim's bedroom. It's a bonus room.
Extra pillows, blankets for the pull-out mattress.
Or the bathroom is humongous. Probably too big. It's a big clean counter. Nothing fancy. The water pressure at this place is usually really good.
Look, they do have Dove soap.
Yep, all Holiday Inns now carry Dove products. And for shampoo and conditioner, it's so much better.
And it doesn't dry your skin out.
Yeah, I like those better than the ones they used to carry. Okay, Jim, the real test.
All right, ready?
Jump on the bed. Oh, it looks hard as a rock. How is it?
Used.
It's a used bed.
Yeah.
Well, I'll update this video before we leave if there's any problems. But I'm actually kind of happy. Well, pretty good. We can have our breakfast up here. This hotel does a full breakfast. We've done it before. It's pretty decent. Also, it might be a new thing, but we've stayed here so many times and they've never given me a thank you bag with snacks and then told me to go pick out a drink out of the cooler. So it might be a new thing. I noticed Holiday Inn rewards are like picking up their game. There's lots of new rewards and tiers and bonuses and discounts. So